So this is my analytics and I'm going to show you the views that I've been getting so far. And this is the particular video I'll be clicking on how to get monetized in 2024, the do's and don'ts. So on this video, I added this lady's thumbnail on my video. And I had these views in about 48 hours. So in 48 hours, I was able to get about 459 views.
Hello, welcome to Siska Talks. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something that I did to get some views on my new YouTube channel. I know how difficult it is as a new YouTuber, how difficult it is to get views on your videos because nobody knows you, and sometimes YouTube is not recommending your video to wider audience, and this is because people are not watching your video, and for that reason YouTube will just put the video somewhere and will not recommend your video. Hence, you are not going to get views from those videos that are not recommended. So if you get the views, definitely YouTube is going to recommend your videos, but you are not getting the views. And how are you going to get the views to get YouTube to recommend your videos? So guys, I tried this one thing and it worked for me, and I just want to share with you how this thing is and what you must do to get views on your channel. So if you're a new YouTuber, I know that searching for how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get monetized, how to do all those stuff, guys, is something that like you do most of the time. So these are the kind of videos that you usually search for because you are trying to build your audience, you are trying to build a community, and you need tips, like you need advices from people who has already made it. And guys, I can assure you that there are a lot of videos out there teaching you how to get your channel to another level. There are a lot, so many videos out there teaching you on how to grow your YouTube channel. But guys, even after watching all those videos and we still post it, we still don't get the views, and it becomes so frustrating that guys, you sometimes feel like you should give up. But guys, today I'm going to advise you, do not give up, because if just one video on your channel blows, guy, your channel is going to be a different thing altogether. I am going to show you one thing that I did and it helped me get views. When you go to your YouTube homepage, guys, you should look out for particular videos, and these particular videos are viral videos, trending channels. So you should concentrate on channels that are growing, channels that YouTube is recommending more. So when I checked on my YouTube homepage, I realized that YouTube is recommending a particular lady, Vibe with Sonia. So I was forced to open one of her videos. I made a video. So when I made the video, I added this lady's video on my thumbnail. I made the video and added that video that I watched on my thumbnail. Guys, when you do that, YouTube is going to recommend that video to the creator. And always remember that you give a hashtag to the person's name. So it could be in your description of that video, hashtag Vibe with Sonia, or it could be on your title, hashtag Vibe with Sonia. It's also going to recommend that video to people who have watched that particular video. So the chances of getting your videos clicked is very high because you are going to testify to something that someone has already posted. So that means YouTube is going to push that video more. and you are going to get the views, because people are always looking for answers. And most of the time, you should also put in mind that the video that you are going to be using is a viral video. If the video is a viral video, guys, you can get much more views. Your homepage right now, go and search videos that is trending. If that video falls into your niche, guys, give it a try. Always remember that you should always be the first person to give it a try. And please, for copyright's sake, do not go and download the person's video and then put it in your video, because when it gets to the time that YouTube is supposed to monetize you, they are going to check what is on your channel. And if they realize that you've taken someone's video without their consent, they are going to give you a strike, and you're not going to find out the particular video, and this is going to be very frustrating. So just watch the video, give it a try. If you give it a try and it works and you want to testify to others to know that truly what this lady said is true, then you are free to go. That is what you are supposed to do. Guys, try posting viral videos on your thumbnail, and guys, you are going to get the views.
So this is how it all started. So when I posted a video, I was just waiting for YouTube to recommend a video until I realized that Vibe with Sonia sent me a message that she commented on the video, and this was a comment: "Your video deserves a promotion, let's share you out." So I was so happy about the news, and I just quickly responded to her comment, and that is how it all started. So when she sent me that comment, I just realized that I was getting the views non-stop, and I was getting comments. People were just commenting. Like, I was getting a lot of engagement on this video, guys. This was something I was just praying for, and you can also give this a try. You can see that the engagement on this video is very good, considering the fact that I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to build my channel and I'm getting this engagement. It was a good thing.
Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Siska Talks, and guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share this video, comment, please share this video. Let others see this video, and this is going to help YouTube to push this video to wider audience. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.